Guys, good morning everyone. Today is 25th June 2021. Let's see today market analysis. आज निफ्टी का support resistance और trade possibility let's define, right? जो yesterday का support था, माइनर सपोर्ट, ये ऑलरेडी ब्रेक करके उसके बाद फर्दर जो रेजिस्टेंस, पहला रेजिस्टेंस था उसको ब्रेक करके फर्दर नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस में ऑलरेडी मूव कर चुका है मार्केट। ओके, आज मार्केट इसकी बीच में ही ओपन होगा, 15,000 इसी लेवल के आसपास ही ओपन होगा। ओके, व्हिच इज आवर होल्डिंग सपोर्ट। ओके, अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट है हमारा। और इसके बाद काफी चांसेस रहता है कि मार्केट विल मूव इन ऑफ डायरेक्शन, देन इजीली अचीव दिस नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस व्हिच इज द वेरी पावरफुल रेजिस्टेंस। ओके, something big going to happen at this resistance. Okay, so don't miss this trade at least. यहाँ पे जो भी प्राइस एक्शन बनेगा उसके हिसाब से आपको ट्रेड लेना है, आपको इधर ट्रेड मिस नहीं करना है। So today is 15,824 is the important support, or resistance will be 15,899. Once you find this opportunity here, any rejection at support zone or any price action, we can go for buy side. Okay, in the same way we can get like selling opportunity. Let it be wait for opening of market. If there is some good volume with force and rejection in this level, so that we can again go for third side and our target become 15,762. Okay, but this support and resistance remains same as like before, there is no changes. Then move to the bank nifty side. In bank nifty, what happened? Yes, yesterday we can see there is a short trend line, and once it break the trend line, you can see a triangle pattern break once and move lightly, but again bounce back and again close above the trend line, and after that create inside bar candle and then started moving up. Okay, so that and exactly rejected from that resistance level. This is very important when some price reject from a particular zone. Okay, so price exactly rejected from this zone and exactly this level, you can say. So that this is a right now strong support, strong resistance, both resistance converted into support right now. Okay, price will move in between this. So again, when price retest this level, we can think about buy side. Okay, you just price will open here, and when it price try to touch this level, then we can go for buy side. Otherwise, we can wait for this diagonal resistance, which already showing from long time, already 5 to 6 days we hold with this diagonal line, and we are expecting price will respect this level. Okay, so after this, if any breakout or any rejection, then we can think about to buy here. Okay, then next target will be very clear, 35,396. Then further, once price started breaking this level, okay, this resistance, then we can move for next level, and this is our new resistance. Okay, in bank nifty we found one minor resistance here. Okay, why this is minor resistance? Because exactly from this price zone price fall immediately, so that this is a rejection zone. So I believe it's a temporary minor resistance. Okay, and further price can move to the next higher level, and once it break the next high level, then sky is the limit. We can see very good upside move. Okay, that's it about index, and I selected one stock for today's Alchem. Okay, you can check Alchem stock. Okay, in Alchem, what happened na, for this price zone, exactly at this level 3058.50 level, many time price rejected, right? You can see price rejected here, right? then price same level rejected again, and again yesterday once again it rejected from this price level. So this is zone, we can say this is a very strong support, and once this strong support level break, then it's very easy to get the target of 3029.15. So that we can trade this with this level 3058.5, and we can put stop loss 3076.70. Stop loss is very important. Then we can take a target of 3089. Okay, this is a stock from my side, Alchem. Okay, and you can follow all these stocks. That's it for today. See you on my next analysis video.